All right, so now that you click that link, it'll take you straight to where you guys can get a 14-day free trial of the Pro plan. Now, I highly advise for everyone starting a free trial to definitely at least start with the Pro plan. That is the best plan that High Level offers, and it has the full capabilities. Of course, after the trial, guys, I actually would advise you that maybe if you want to downgrade to the $297 plan or the $97 plan, that way you guys can get comfortable with the software. And as you start adding on clients, you can upgrade yourself back to the $497 plan. But it's definitely for the free trial, I would advise why not go for the best? So get the $497 plan and make sure after the free trial, if you want to downgrade, you definitely have the option to do that. So Israel, for you, I would suggest that you go with the free trial of the Pro plan. That's the one that I use. It's the one I started on. And guys, really quick, before you fill this out, once you get to this link, make sure you have your ad blockers turned off, because if you have your ad blockers turned on, personally, I'm pretty sure it affects my affiliate incentive. And also, if that doesn't work, it affects me being able to give you guys snapshots, which is stuff you're going to need later on when you're creating your account. So it hurts you as well. So make sure your ad blockers are turned off, or you're not using a private browser, just to make everything work for me and for you. And then you'll be sent over to this page, and then you just want to click there to log in. All right, so basically it's going to ask you to start filling out information. Now, because you're brand new, you don't really have much information to put out. So when asking for what industry you serve, I would just put like software. I think that's an option. It's right there. So let's go with software. And then how many customers do you have? Just put, I don't have any customers yet. Do you have a website? No, you don't. Next. And then you're just going to put in your billing address. Just put in your information. Now, before you put that in, you see where it says, do you intend on reselling High Level? Obviously, if you're taking this course, that is most definitely the plan for you. So you definitely want to click off yes on that. Oh, make sure you obviously agree to the High Level terms of service, privacy policy, all that. And then it's going to ask you what tools you're using. We're not using any of them, so just press next. Got it. All right, it's going to ask you to verify your email address, and I think later it's going to ask you to verify your phone number. So make sure you guys do that. All right, man. So you are now in your brand new GoHighLevel account. Very exciting. Now you're ready to basically start your business. Okay, maybe not just yet. There's 3 things you have to do right now before we even do anything within GoHighLevel. First one is you need to create your Stripe account. And the second thing is we'll need to get you your own domain, and we'll do that off Cloudflare. And the third thing you need is your own business logo, which we will create on Canva. So the first thing is, how about you open up a new tab and we'll go on stripe.com, and then you just create your account.